Good morning, everybody. Today, I will give the English project. Okay. Last day, you have read about the story of the road. Here, please listen to me. Draw or paste. Draw or paste winter vegetables, flowers, fruits on your scrapbook and write 10 to 15 lines about winter. So please listen to me. Here, draw or paste winter vegetables, flowers, paste the picture of winter vegetables, flowers, fruits on your scrapbook and write 10 to 15 lines about winter. Okay. Why, Shubhasri, you are now also doing all these things. Please write the project, and also you will get all these things in the e-portal, in my e-portal. So, winter, how we will start? 10 lines you can write about the winter. 10 lines, I am just giving some hints. Winter, that winter begins in our West Bengal from the end of the November and it ends till February. It is the how many pictures? Minimum 3-4 pictures. Winter vegetables, 3 vegetables, 3 fruits or 3 flowers, 4 vegetables, 3 to 5, any. Okay, each. February till February, and next line you can write. It is the coldest season of all seasons. Okay, so like this you can write, you can describe also about the flowers, fruits, everything. So that is the way you can write 10 lines or 15 lines, you can write like this. So this is the project. You will get all these things in my e-portal. Please check my e-portal. Now, please open your textbook, Little Tiger, Big Tiger. Please open. Little Tiger, Big Tiger. English text, Marigold, page number 69. Page number 69. Little Tiger, Big Tiger. So, please listen to me. There was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. They lived near a river in a shady jungle. What is the meaning of shady? There they are having shade. Okay. When the sky was dark, the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig. The tiger cub stayed close by this mother's side. The tiger cub stayed. Actually, he was very small and he wants to stay with his mother. When the langur monkey saw her, he called a loud, harsh call. Watch out, the tiger is coming. Actually, langur monkey, they are making careful to all other animals. They are telling all other animals that please be careful. The tiger is coming because tiger is out for hunting the animals, another small animals. Shambhar deer bellowed also. They are like this musical way. They are also becoming very careful. Not only they are shouting, they are also telling other animals, the tiger is coming, please be careful. The kakar deer barked, and sometimes the game got away. She hunted them for jungle fowl. Fowl also one type of birds flesh. It's too many birds. For peasant also one type of bird, and a frog. Or went to the river for fish, but she did not hunt every night. But every night she is not going. In the moon was bright, the mother tiger lay down and waited for the dawn. Because bright, no, he is not getting anything. She is not getting anything. She twitched the tip of her tail. Just twitch means just going slowly without any noise. And the tiger cub pounced on her tail again and again. Pounce means just caught. Jump and caught. Tail again and again. Because she was afraid if her mother is going away from him. But mother has to also, mother has responsibility to feed him. Because you also having that your mother is cooking for you. Your father is bringing food for you. Like that, mother tiger also is collecting or hunting food for the baby tiger. If he went too far away, the mother tiger called him with a low, quiet grunt. The tiger cub came back, but he did not like to stay near his mother in the jungle at night. Actually, if you can also compare with yourself. Like this, if you are going outside alone, your parents, they are telling not to go. They are frightened. They are also afraid. If something's happen. Like this, mother tiger also are not allowing his tiger cub just to leave her, and he will be going alone to hunt. But little tiger, no, he was very naughty. He does not want to stay with his mother. He want to go alone. One night, the mother tiger was tired and closed her eyes. He was sleepy. Hopping along, tiger cub saw a tiny frog, small frog, hopping along the ground. The tiger cub pounced, just jumped, and what happened? Then frog hopped away. Again that frog jumped away. But he chased the frog and caught it. He followed the frog and just caught it. He turned to show his mother. Actually, it was his first hunting, so he was thinking that he should show his mother, but she was not in the sight. Instead, he saw a tiger bigger than his mother near him in the jungle. So he did not see his mother. Another tiger he saw. Then what happened? He was very afraid. The tiger's green eyes glistened. Glisten means just shining, glistened, chok chok kore utha actually, shining. And he watched the tiger cub. Tiger cub was frightened. He could not hide or run. He let the frog hop away. He was just leaving the frog because he was too much frightened. The tiger crept up closer to the little tiger cub. So that time the tiger crept up, means just like crawling and came to the little tiger cub. But a roar filled the jungle, the roar of the mother tiger. Roar means just he was shouting, tiger cub. and that roaring that is filling the jungle. She faced the other tiger and went away. The mother tiger liked to roar loud, big tiger roar. Mother tiger also roared too much away. And to tell all other animals in the jungle that she was there, all the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. Actually, they are afraid of tiger, no? So tiger was roaring and he was just far away. Everybody was too much afraid because they know it was tiger. Tiger cub also liked to roar. A loud tiger cub roared to tell all other animals in the jungle that he was there. But tiger cub, he was also thinking, I should also roar like mother. But he was very little. He could not do. So other animals, they are not frightened. They are not scared about the little tiger. They know that it was little tiger. All other animals in the jungle were not afraid at all. None of them ran away. But there came a year. After 1 year, then little tiger was grown up. After 1 year, a human being, they are not grown up. Little bit grown up. But to animals, like tiger, he was grown up like a full grown tiger, big tiger. He walked for miles alone. Okay, so walked for the miles alone, hunting for game at night. When he rode to tell all other animals in the jungle that he was there. He was telling that he was there. And all the great big tiger had been a small tiger cub. Hearing his loud roar, smiled to himself, great big tiger smile. Actually, that tiger, that was his father. He was very happy that his son was just now grown up, and he heard this little tiger's groan, roaring, and he was very happy. So it was the story of a father, mother, and a small tiger. Little tiger. So big tiger and little tiger, how they are growing, that is the story. Please read with the story, and I'll tell the meaning. Next day I'll write and the question answer. Then again I am telling the meaning. Shady, that in a shade, the place filled with shade, means chawa. Belor, that is also musical sound by the shambar deer. Twitched, twitch means also they are some going, means walking without sound. Pounced, jumped and caught. Grunt, that is also one sound. Game, and glistened here, that shining. Road, loud shout, and peasant, one type of bird. Fowl also, the flesh of the bird, or many birds. One thing, I am just telling the project again, once again, but you will get in my e-portal. Draw or paste the picture of vegetables, winter vegetables, fruits, flowers, and paste it on the chart paper or scrapbook. Draw means you can color it also. Very nicely you should prepare the project. And also you have to write 10 lines about, 10 to 15 lines about winter. Winter vegetables, winter flowers, when the winter will start, when the winter will end, and what we are wearing. And now the Christmas is coming, no? You should write. The Christmas is only one festival of the winter. So all these things you should write. And again, if you are having some Christmas party, you should wear mask. You should wash your hand with sanitizer. And when you will come, that is also, you should protect yourself from the woolen clothes, because it is too much cold is here. You will have cold and cough if you are not wearing this proper woolen clothes. So all this project you will get in my e-portal. I have already told. If you are having any problem, yes, where to write? In scrapbook or the chart paper last page? Chart paper is a very big paper, beta. Okay, the some places you can draw or paste and some places you can write. Okay, no problem. 10 to 15 lines, more lines are there. So please write like this. Okay, and if you are having any problem, please, and 3-4 pictures each. Vegetable each means that flowers 3 to 4 or that fruits also 3 to 4. If you are having any problem, please tell me, write to me in my e-portal. Beta, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye, beta.